Hi, welcome to the Good Homestead. My name is Alex. Welcome to our homestead journey. Meet Matt, myself Alex, Emberly, Ava, Hannah, Heidi, and our twin boys, August and Bradley. Yes, 2 sets of twins. Welcome to our homestead. We are a family of 8. We have 2 singletons and then 2 sets of twins. So we are a big family. We recently moved from Scottsdale, Arizona to Queen Creek, Arizona and bought our first 1-acre property, and we are loving it. So this is a journey to document everything that we're doing, from homeschooling, learning to garden, learning to care for livestock, and overall just become more self-sufficient. So thank you for joining us and subscribe.